In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of the column headers in Excel. If you want your worksheet to be easier to read and more organized, updating your column headers is a great place to start. Clear header names make it much simpler to understand what each column is for, especially if you're working with a lot of data or sharing the file with someone else. To begin, go to your worksheet and locate the first row where your current column headers appear. These are the labels at the top of each column that describe the information underneath. Once you find the header you want to change, double-click directly on that cell in the first row of your worksheet. Double-clicking lets you edit the existing text right inside the cell, which is the quickest way to make a simple change. After the cell becomes editable, type the new name you want to use for that column header. Try to choose a name that is short, clear, and specific so the worksheet stays easy to scan. For example, instead of using a vague label, use something that clearly matches the type of data in that column. This can save time later when you're sorting, filtering, or reviewing your spreadsheet. When you've entered the new header name, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the change. Excel will apply the updated text to that cell, and your new column name will appear at the top of the worksheet. That's all it takes to rename a column header. If you're updating several headers, you can repeat the same process for each one in the first row. Keeping your headers consistent is also a helpful habit, so try to use similar wording and formatting across the sheet. That way, your spreadsheet looks cleaner and feels more professional. One quick tip to keep in mind is that changing the header text does not change your data underneath it. It only updates the label, so you can safely rename headers whenever you need to improve clarity or reflect new information. And that's how to change the name of the column headers in Excel. It's a simple edit, but it can make a big difference in how understandable and polished your worksheet looks. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.